Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make people leave a game on Roblox. I don't know if this works anymore. This is just what I've learned as well. So you're going to go to your settings here, and actually you're going to go to your profile, sorry. So go to your profile here and then select edit, and you're going to edit your display name as server, and then you're going to press save, and then you're going to go to game. I'll just go to a private game because I don't really want to bother people, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna wait for this to load, and you're just going to type in chat. We'll be shutting down in like 30 seconds or however many seconds. Like this. And then, well, make sure you don't say it in like dress to impress, because as you can see, there'll be like a VIP. Actually, you can turn it off, but like here, 30 seconds, and then sometimes people will leave the server, sometimes people won't. It depends. Also, I think I misclicked something, but anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.